All right, ready. Okay, so tell me how old you are.
Want me to write it?
No, just tell me.
7.
7 years old. What grade are you in?
2nd.
Okay, going into
3rd.
third grade. Okay. And tell me, and we're just curious if you know, how do airplanes get into the air? What do you think about that?
They have gas that is in the airplane, and when it pushes from out of the airplane, it gets to go up into the air. And they have the and it keeps on shooting gas out so it can keep on flying into the air.
Okay. And why do they have wings?
So the wings can help it fly easier and stuff.
Okay. So what do the wings do you think, to help it fly? What does it have to do with, or how does it work, do you think?
They spin around by pushing the air
Okay.
in the airplane.
Okay. And how does the airplane stay in the sky, do you think?
The gas is like pushing out of it, and it flies up.
Okay.
And the gas comes out.
Okay. So if you were on the airplane and you wanted to slow it down or land, how do you land the airplane? How does that work?
Only a little bit of gas would kind of come out of there, and the wings to make it spin, those would kind of slow down a little bit.
Okay. Okay, so does it have to be a windy day to have an airplane fly, or does the air not matter?
It really doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter? Okay. Okay, good job. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is your name?
Cameron.
Okay, how old are you?
10.
10. What grade are you going into?
6.
Sixth grade? Okay. So my question for you is, how do airplanes get into the air? How does that work?
They get going at a fast enough speed, and the wings for it, the air goes, there's so much air pressure going into it that it goes under. Some of it goes under, but most of it goes over top so they can get going.
Okay, goes over and under what?
The wings.
The wings? Okay, so an airplane, does it have to have wings to fly?
Yeah.
Okay, so where did you learn this about the pressure, or what do you know?
Science.
Oh, in science class? Okay, so pressure goes on top or bottom, or
Yeah, both.
both? Okay, and so how does it do then? How does it take off from there?
It gets going at a good enough speed, and when the air pressure is going below the wings, it gets going so it goes faster and higher.
Okay, so how do they stay in the air?
Because of the aerodynamics of the plane.
Okay, with the way it's shaped and stuff, is that what you
Yeah.
mean? Or, oh, okay. And then how does it land with this pressure you're talking about? What does that do? How does the pilot land the plane, or how does that work?
They have these little sections of the wings, and they can push those up and down. So, like, when you push it up, the plane will go down.
Okay. What does that look like? Can you draw it on a piece of paper? And then show me what the wind or what air or whatever you're talking about, how that would work.
Okay, well, there's like this little flap
Okay, let me see if I can zoom in.
right here, and then some of the air is going above it,
Okay.
and like only a couple is going down here.
Okay.
And this flap can go either up or down.
Okay.
And then the air can go up, and then plane will go down.
Oh, okay. All right. And so that's how it lands?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Does it matter what size the wing is or what shape it is at all, do you think? Okay. And does it matter if it's windy outside or no? Okay. All right. Anything else you know about that? So you learned this in science class?
Yeah.
What grade do you think you learned it in?
5th.
5th grade? So just this year?
Yeah.
Oh, Mrs. Kustra? Okay. She did a good job?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Say goodbye.
Bye.
So Abby, can you draw your picture?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. And then you're going to describe to us what you have in your picture here too?
The airplane is when the gas is slowing, when so much gas doesn't come out, the airplane is coming down because the wings of the plane are slowing down so that it can land. And it
Oh.
has wheels on the bottom that would it would land on those wheels
Okay.
so that it wouldn't crash.
Okay. So the gas that's coming out of the plane slows down and that slows the wheel down? Is that what you said? Okay. And then the wheels on the bottom come down and then it's able to land. Okay. Sounds good. All right. Thank you. Say goodbye.
Bye.